about ready to enter what will become the Prince Christian Sound, or Sund. Yeah, and so this came up on us really quick. We haven't been looking at the front camera, so we actually, if you could turn on the front camera, so you can see there. Yeah, I am GoProing from that, and this is just impressive. Us to see this. Builds up an appetite?
Possibly really builds an appetite.
The way it looks small, I'm sure it will look just as small. It's a glacier. It's the second glacier we've seen.
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's really amazing.
It really is. This is awesome.
Major glacier.
Major glacier.
GoPro on. Okay, that mountain over there, we figured it out. It is Mount Plunget, the Reach.
We probably don't have any, we don't have any followers yet. And we probably won't have any after this. So, if you are, following awesome. Oh, wonderful. In a platonic way. So, I love you.
Stuck in the piglet that we do like our head.
Can I fail?